Hello everybody, today we make rigatoni with the sweet sausage, a prosciutto and cream sauce. For the ingredients we got 1 cup heavy cream, half a cup white wine, a 6 ounce prosciutto, half onion, a 3 cloves garlic, 1 pound rigatoni, 5 pieces sausage, teaspoon flake hot pepper, a rosemary, a pecorino cheese, how many you want to use. Okay, now we start to chop the onion. And we slice like this. And now we chop the garlic. Oh, come over here, baby. Don't run away from me, garlic. I like garlic. And now we chop some of the rosemary. Okay, we do like this. We make it really thin, the rosemary. Okay, we put the gas on. Little oil. I want to saute the prosciutto first. And we leave warm up the oil. I like when the oil it's a little hot, like this one. I put the prosciutto, it go zzz. It's really nice. We start with the prosciutto. Oh, you see, already do zzz. But the only thing we gotta do, the low the flame. Okay, now the prosciutto, look, it's already done. Can't want to cook it too much. And now it's time of the sausage. This is a sweet sausage, but so you like, you can use hot sausage. But I got my flake hot pepper, and like this we make a little spice. And I got the rosemary, I was a chop. It give a really good taste. And now we cook a little bit this now with the prosciutto and the sausage. After that, we gotta put onion and garlic. Okay, now the sausage and the prosciutto it's almost done good. And now it's time of the garlic and the onion. Now we cook the garlic and the onion. After that, we put the wine. Okay, now this look how beautiful it look. And now we go with the wine. And we give a nice turn with the wine. They evaporated now all the wine. At the same time, it's a time for the pasta. And we got a rigatoni. Now make sure when you put the pasta, turn the pasta can no stick together. And make sure you got a lot of water. When you cook pasta with no water, the pasta come pure. And look at the nice the color of the pasta. And this pasta, when you mix it together with the sausage and the prosciutto and the sausage go inside the pasta a little bit. And when you eat, oh, so good, delicious. Okay, now we gotta put on low. Okay, you don't gotta boil it too much. Okay, we gotta wait enough for the pasta. But still, you gotta cook more. And when it's a couple of minutes before the pasta cook al dente, I gotta put the heavy cream to cook a couple of minutes together with the sausage and the prosciutto. After that, we put the pasta together and mix it together, it come nice creamy. Okay, now we put the heavy cream. Oh, and we give a nice turn of heavy cream. But I gotta pick it up a little bit of this. I got more stuff over here. It got a lot of heavy cream inside over here. And like this. Okay, and now we give a nice turn on this. It gotta stay about 3 minutes. Now this you gotta boil on low. Okay, now the pasta, it's a nice al dente. I want to finish cook with the heavy cream, with the prosciutto and the sausage. And let's drain the rigatoni. Okay. All right, now, so I need more little water. I got water. And now we give a nice turn the rigatoni. Like I say, so I need the pasta water. I pick it up. Because when you cook the pasta, so you know, got the drain like this, make sure to leave some of the water on the side. Okay, I need more water. I want to be nice, thick, the sauce, everything. And I got the water right over here, like I say, not throw away the water. And I put 2 scoops. All right, we give a nice turn, and we leave it cook more the pasta. It's why I was taking out al dente. I wanted the pasta to take a good taste with the rigatoni, everything. Now it's almost done, and now I want to put a cheese. It make a more good flavor. When you put the cheese right over here, this is a pecorino romano. If you don't got a pecorino romano, no problem. Use a parmigiano. Oh, now we give a nice, beautiful turn, and with the pecorino cheese, it come really, really creamy. Look, 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 look. Look now, look. Look at this. Oh. Okay, ready. And let's bring this pasta rigatoni. So good. And now I want to taste it. Look at this. Well, look how nice and beautiful look. A little pecorino cheese on the top. Okay. This over here, this and this. Now let's taste it. Il rigatoni. It's really, really creamy. It's a really good taste. It's delicious. The pasta, perfect. The prosciutto and the sausage. It smell, the rosemary give you good smell. And with a glass of wine, salute cincine everybody. A salute. Really, really good pasta. I frescatura. Salute e cincine everybody.